Every year, the Samsung Galaxy S series stands for the highest level of Android smartphone innovation. But how will Samsung impress us with the Galaxy S24 Ultra? If rumors about the device are to be believed, it may bring some very exciting upgrades, ranging from display, battery and S Pen enhancements to camera and performance improvements. Samsung's 2024 flagship could feature significant updates, making it deserving successor to the fantastic S23 Ultra. But which new features and talents will truly grab our attention? Let's examine the 5 largest improvements. First and foremost, the Galaxy S24 Ultra is expected to come with a more potent chipset. Depending on the market, the Galaxy S24 Ultra is expected to be powered by either the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 or the Exynos 2400 chipset. This will give it a nice boost in CPU and GPU performance when compared to the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chip in the S23 Ultra. The new chipsets are built on a 4nm process and are likely to have more efficient cores, which means better multitasking and graphics rendering. With the extra power, the S24 Ultra should easily run any app or game. The new Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 is made for generative AI that will make the S24 Ultra even smarter in generative AI. Number 2. More advanced camera with a better zoom. There are rumors that the Galaxy S24 Ultra would have an upgraded telephoto lens with greater zooming capabilities between 3x and 10x. This could enable a higher maximum zoom level than the existing 100x space zoom. We'll have to wait and see, but an improved telephoto lens with features like a high-resolution sensor, greater stabilization, or a wider aperture would elevate the already excellent stellar camera on the S24 Ultra to new heights. With a larger main sensor, the telephoto will probably replace one of the 2 zoom lenses on the S23 Ultra low-light photography camera. Number 3. A brighter screen. According to a report, the Galaxy S24 Ultra may raise the 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED display's peak brightness to a scorching 2500 nits. This is a significant improvement over the S23 Ultra's 1750 nit peak and would make the screen much easier to view. High brightness modes in direct sunlight tend to consume more power, but the added brightness might make photos and videos truly shine. We'll have to wait and see how this projected 500+% jump affects actual usage. Number 4. A refresh rate of 144 Hz that is even smoother. According to one intriguing rumor, Samsung will increase the S24 Ultra's refresh rate from 120 Hz to 144 Hz. This theory, which originated from a leak from Korea, would make the S24 Ultra feel incredibly fluid and fast when scrolling or playing games. Since 144 Hz screens are uncommon on phones yet, the S24 Ultra would stand out for its smoothness. Of course, a higher refresh rate may have some negative effects on battery life, but hopefully, Samsung's other improvements will outweigh these. Number 5. An entirely new titanium frame. According to several reports, the Galaxy S24 Ultra's frame is going to be made of titanium metal instead of aluminum, which might reduce weight by 1 or more grams while maintaining durability. The S24 Ultra's titanium construction might also give it a more upscale premium feel in the hand. One of the little adjustments that nonetheless gives the phone a new look is a new frame material. What do you think about these upgrades in S24 Ultra? Do let us know your thoughts in the comments section below. Also do subscribe for more updates. With that being said, I will see you guys in the next video.